YouTube, I'm going to unbox my FaeCrate for July. It came kind of late, so I'm going to go unbox it. So I'm trying to catch up my July boxes. And here's what it looks like inside, and hopefully I'm not missing anything because I have had that happen before and they gave me a hard time about it. Alright, first thing I see is this, and it's a little crinkle, but here it is. No. This is, yeah, like I said, for July. So there it is. We've got a candle, and it's called the Bold and the Ruthless. It's cherry almond, color changing candle. If it turns red, you're an anarchist. If it's blue, you're a renegade. And this is a FaeCrate exclusive, and it's by Spidey Sense. So you have to burn it to figure out what you are. So that's pretty cool. Alright, the next thing I see is a pop socket, and it says, I'm the hero of this story, which usually I don't use pop sockets. But it's cute. Alright, the next thing I see is a book plate. And the next thing I see is in this little pouch. And it is the FaeCrate coin, and it says, I pledge myself to the Rose Society. And then we've got a lanyard. Where there are villains, there will be heroes. And then we've got a little data cable saver. And that is the girl from Guardians of the Galaxy with the antenna. I forget her name. And then we've got the Polaroid for this month. It's these two. I don't know who they are. It says he's a book full of footnotes brought to life. And then we've got a really pretty art print. That is the free ebook download, Deviation by Christine Mazzari. So there's that. And then we've got a little, well, not really a little pouch, a big pouch that says, still holding out for that reward money. And this thing is huge. You can put a lot of stuff in here. It is a really big bag, and it's full of color. So that's good. And then we've got, last but not least, the book. And this is a pretty cool book. You don't usually get something like this out of other boxes. This is a special FaeCrate edition. It looks like it's got black edges here. And it almost looks kind of like a comic book on the top, because that's how some comic books look. So that is really cool. So let's see what it looks like. And I forget why this was behind. I think they were waiting on one of the items, which they get a lot of items overseas, so that doesn't surprise me. Which it puts a damper on things for them. Alright, here is the book. And it says collateral damage. And it's a pretty cool book, but if you notice, like right there, some other people had problems too. The binding isn't staying together. So you just gotta be very careful with this book. I would keep it in something. And then what I do think is really cool is this embossed naked cover. that is just super pretty. And there's the side, and there's the back. So it's a really cool FaeCrate exclusive. But I did notice on the book box Sherlock's that a lot of the books have some of the binding that's out. And so you just gotta be careful with it. I have a couple books like that. You just have to be super, super careful with it. I'm excited to read this, but yeah, my binding is kind of funky too. But it's cute. I'm excited about reading this because I love anything that has to do with superheroes. So, and this is different. So, thank you very much, and let's see if we got everything. Which I'm not even going to bother them if I don't. We got Renegade Sorting Candle by Spidey Sense. Are you team Renegade or Anarchist? You got the Steel Heart Lanyard. And then you got Extra Large Lunar Chronicles Pouch by Katarina Book Designs. And there goes my oldest. And then you got the Hero Pop Socket. And then you've got a Mystery Hero Cord Protector. You've got a Young Elites collectible coin, which I have not read Young Elites yet, so that's why I didn't know what it is. You got a Carry-On Collector's Polaroid, which another one I haven't read. And then if you got the t-shirt, it was a Vicious shirt. So, and then the book of the month is Collateral Damage by Taylor Simmons. And then you got the free ebook download, Deviation. And then they're advertising for some of their book boxes, the Wicked Nothings mini hangover kits, which they said they're starting to get low stock of that. Dark Dawn and Capturing the Devil, both of these, they only have the box only option, not the book in the box. So if you want to get the box, I would get those, especially Dark Dawn, because that one's starting to run low, they said in their last live. I'm glad I got everything, which is cool. Dark Age, I have that one coming. I didn't get it in time to get the book with the cover, so I will have just the goodies only. So when I get that, I will show that to you. I'm super excited about it. I've read a little bit about Red Rising. I haven't read them all, like I haven't started reading all the series yet, but I'm going to. I wasn't able to get the book, so I did get a book from Waterstones, which just has his signature in it. Nothing else is special about it. So I will show that with the video too. But yeah, this is their July box. It was late, but it's here. Some of these items will be in their sale in October, whatever they have extras of. They do still have available August box. They're getting all the Dark Age shipped out, and then they're going to do August, so it's going to be late too. And then they still have September's available, and they still have these available, and also Court of Thorns and Roses Hangover box anniversary. So those are the ones I think they have right now. I don't have a rep code. You can easily find them on Instagram. I find their hangover boxes really awesome. Their monthly boxes are okay compared to some of the other boxes that I get, but it is one of my more cheaper boxes, so you get what you pay for sometimes. So they do more unique books. I mean, they go to independent publishers and get different kinds of books, which is kind of cool. Except they had a snafu with the whole signature thing with the last couple of books that they got from the publisher that didn't have signed book plates. They were just printed book plates, which I didn't notice. I guess if you went back in my videos you could see, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, that's the box. I wish I got a different character. She's okay, but I like Gamora better. Or Black Widow. Oh well. Well, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, just put them on down below and let me know what you think of FaeCrate. I really like their hangover boxes. Their monthly boxes are okay. I mean, I've been getting stuff damaged, and then of course I had the thing that didn't come in my box, and then when I asked them for it, they gave me a hard time, and then it came to me and I had to pay for shipping for it. So yeah, but anyway, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.